see. She's gonna check out the eggs.
Oh no.
No? There we go. What's she doing with them? Is she touching them?
Yeah.
They get very involved. Look. Oh, I think she's trying to... What are you trying to do? Okay, if I do this, will it help? But there's the eggs. Protecting them. She's made herself bigger. Wow. Those are, look, they've claimed it as their eggs. It's her eggs. Look, she's pushing them all in a... Aww, but they're Phoebe's eggs. Maybe I should give them eggs to play with. Aww. Silly, that's not your eggs. They would adopt the eggs if they worked. They're dud eggs. Oh, are you going in too? Okay, go in too. I want to see this. This is interesting. This is... No, he's protecting now. They've stolen Phoebe's eggs. No! Don't you dare have a fight. Don't you dare have a fight. Don't you dare. Don't you dare have a fight with Phoebe. Phoebe, they stole your eggs. You're crazy, guys. Those aren't your eggs. They're Phoebe's eggs. Why are you suddenly taking over? Don't you dare talk to us like that. How dare you steal her eggs? You two are crazy. Those are Phoebe's eggs. I didn't know you'd go so crazy. I wouldn't have let you in there. Oh. Look, she's collecting them now. She thinks she's going to get to keep them. She's trying to sit on them. Oh, it's kind of sad. She's so excited about these eggs. Oh, but they're not real eggs. They don't have any babies in them. She doesn't care. She wants them. She wants them. That's it. I've never seen anything like it.
You're gonna